Caramba, trip!
Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, come on. Yo, Primo, you crazy for this right here, pop? Shit, hard body. Yeah. I'm a bull in a China shop. Watch how the Uzi spit. Who we with? Brothers with hammers and they like too legit. I ain't got any time for your foolishness. Raw raps from the same place where the Koofy sits. He the motherfucker always sipping goose and shit. Stomp a rapper out, Timberland boots and shit. The left hand is what I give you the contusions with. The right hand is where I write all of the ruthless shit. Survival of the fit on my little boozy shit. My hands are made of stone, come from that Medusa shit. Big gold chains, we was on that dookie shit. Still run with the kids I stole the Gucci with. I punch you dead in the face, so fuck the music shit. The guns commando, Hollywood movie shit. Y'all aware, y'all on that Lollapalooza shit. Let the beard grow, alhamdulillah, Sufi shit. Y'all are scared when I step inside the booth for shit. Cause motherfucker sell, roll on some sushi shit. Y'all are cowards, y'all only talk on computer shit. This a Haitian ritual, I'm on my voodoo shit. Yeah.
Find out who's the realest. Rockin' not quick.
What I'ma hit you with, your motherfucker better duck.
That's before the sign of tiger blood, y'all are fake. I let the 4/5 block a robber's cake. Dead Sea overlook the view from a side of grade. The dictionary definition to dominate. Y'all weed Germantown brown, Lord, lots of shake. Fat bull, but my pockets never out of shape. You a bitch, security guards lock the gate. The Louis Vuitton bootleg, Prada fake. I'm trying to make the same money that Madonna make. Eyes never lie, I'm surprised that you not with Jake. Rhymes in one take, record an album in an hour straight. You a pile of waste, I see a sucker and salivate. Cutting motherfuckers off, time to consolidate. 1,000 pounds of weight to force your heart to palpitate. It's Armageddon for you motherfuckers, lock the date. Any bitch I meet means that I'm a copulate. My revolution will be met with Peter Tosh's fate. That's the reason that the God is trying to populate. A connoisseur, I can tell you how the vodka tastes. The 4/5 lift you, send you into outer space.
Just participating internationally. Whoa! Whoa! Austin!
But I'm act like I ain't never had money and throw it away, and throw it away, and throw it away, and throw it away. You see me throw it away, and throw it away. I like to throw it away, let's throw it away. You know I ain't Jay-Z, honey, but I'm act like I ain't never had money.
Live from the area, wasted. Tribeswood barrier, wasted. Standing on couches, everybody know me. Rockstar, only thing that's left to do is OD. Realest nigga out here, in the club doing what? Got my name out here. You can call it tipping, you can call it tricking, you can call it this and that, and if you call it this, never runs up and go. Throw them bitches on cue like, throw them in the sky when you hear us go. Let it fly, go. You only live one time. Your favorite rapper up in here with one time. You know what?
You know I ain't Jay-Z, honey, but I'ma act like I ain't never had money. And throw it away, and throw it away, and throw it away. I like to throw it away, and throw it away. You see me throw it away, stack up, get it up and throw it away. You know I ain't Bill Gates, honey, but I'ma act like I ain't never had money. And
all my money got wings on it. Fat booties got my ding-a-ling on it. Clap, clap, clap. Make that butt applaud. You got all that back. What you frontin' for? Bitches, this is y'all song. I got riches, itching to sit in y'all thong. We the business, this is Slaughterhouse, baby. This is what it's all about. Crazy, money,